Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can unblock someone on Instagram. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to unblock someone on Instagram, it's actually so easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Instagram. And after opening your Instagram, I want you to go to your Instagram settings. So to do that, first, I want you to tap your Instagram profile at the bottom right corner. And once you're on your profile, next, I want you to tap these three lines at the top right corner to open your settings. And after that, you will now be on your Instagram settings. So here on settings, I want you to scroll down until you are on the Who Can See Your Content section. And here in this section, you will now be able to see the blocked option, which is where you can see all the Instagram users you blocked. So just go and tap it. And after that, you will now be able to see all the users you blocked on Instagram. So just find the one that you want to unblock. So let's say that this is the user that you want to unblock, for example. So to do that, it's so simple, since the unblock button is just right here. So just go and tap it. And then Instagram will ask you for confirmation if you really want to unblock the account. Just tap the unblock button to confirm it. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you have now unblocked the user on Instagram. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.